How to fix bootable USB or hard disk into normal USB or hard disk in 2 minutes. First of all, turn on your PC and go to the command prompt. Type in Diskpart, then press enter. Next, type in list disk and press enter to see the list of drive connected in your PC. Now connect the USB or hard disk and repeat the command list disk. Now select the disk. Here I chose disk 2. Now type the command select disk 2 and press enter. Next, type in clean and press enter. Type in next command create partition primary. Then press enter. Next, type in select partition 1. Press enter. Type in next command active. Press enter. Be careful in typing next command. Format fs equals if you are using a USB under 32 gigabits, then type in FAT32, or type in exFAT if you are using USB below 100 GB. If it's above the 100 GB, then type in ntfs. Here I used 128 GB hard disk, so I use ntfs command. After there is a label command there, you can name device as your wish. Here I label it as hard disk. Then type in quick and press enter. After complete the formatting, type in next command. Assign and press enter. Last and final command is exit. Now go to this PC, check the hard drive.